My name is Emily Reichert, and I'm the CEO of the Massachusetts Clean Energy Center. MassCEC has an important role in exposing the next generation to clean energy careers. We try to do this in a variety of different ways, from doing clean energy awareness days to helping students access internships where they can work side by side with clean energy professionals to help them understand what it's like to be in the clean energy industry on a day-to-day basis. The world is changing. There's a growing awareness of climate change and the actions that we can take today to address it. And a big part of that, especially here in Massachusetts, is the opportunity to be part of the clean energy future of our state and of the world.
And I am the Engineering Director at the Wind Technology Testing Center here in Charlestown. Events like these are really important. A lot of the kids here today have never seen anything like our facility. We are the only full-scale structural testing lab in the US for offshore wind turbine blades. Today was really cool. We had about 65 students from the Margarita Muniz School. It's a Boston public school, and it's also the only dual language high school in the Boston public school system. So that means they're learning in Spanish and in English. And it was really fun to use that as a way to interact and sort of get over that language barrier. And the kids got to practice what they're learning in school. These are high school seniors, so they're using trigonometry, geometry, and we wanted to get them here and show them what it's like to use that stuff in real life. So we set up a torque station, we set up a beam bending model. We used a crane to show the different forces when you have different triangles on rigging. So it was a really fun day. We had a lot of laughs. And what we tell all these kids, even though we're math focused today, that no matter what their interests are, there's a space for them in clean energy and climate tech. Music, art, drawing, it's all part of clean energy and climate tech. And there's jobs and careers for them.
There's so much opportunity here, and we want Massachusetts students and educators to know that the future is big in clean energy and they can be a part of it.